In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 8-bit pixel art using ChatGPT 4.0. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can transform your images into charming, retro-style masterpieces. First, head over to your preferred web browser and go to Google. Once there, in the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit enter. This will bring up the search results page. Among the results, look for the official ChatGPT website and click on it to open. If this is your first time using ChatGPT, you're in for a treat with its incredible functionalities. Now, once you're on the ChatGPT site, look around for a plus sign, usually located in the toolbar or near where you can start a new conversation. Clicking on this plus sign will unlock a feature that allows you to add images to your session. Next, you'll want to click on Add Photos and Files. This prompt allows you to choose and upload the image you want to convert into pixel art. This is where you have the opportunity to let your creativity shine. Make sure you have your desired image ready and stored on your computer for easy access. Once you're in the File selection window, browse through your files to locate the image you want to use. Select that image, and after you've made your choice, click the Open button. This action uploads your image to the ChatGPT interface, setting the stage for transforming your artwork. With your image successfully uploaded, it's time to craft your prompt. In the text input area, carefully type the instructions that you want ChatGPT 4.0 to follow. For instance, you could use a prompt like, faithfully recreate this image into an authentic, low-resolution pixel art in the style of a retro 8-bit video game. It's key to be clear and specific with your instructions to ensure you get the best result possible. Finally, with your prompt ready, click the Submit button to send your request. ChatGPT will then work its magic in interpreting your image through the lens of your retro gaming prompt. As it processes, your image will transform into beautifully pixelated art reminiscent of old-school video games. And there you have it. This process opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to relive and recreate the classic charm of 8-bit artwork all through the power of AI. As you continue experimenting, you can discover various styles and nuances to enhance your pixel art projects further. Happy creating!